So we took in this little itty-bitty tiny kitten that was found outside in the bush. Here he is in his smallest form. He's about 5 weeks old. Very playful. You can see how his tail's already starting to grow. Super inquisitive. He is as long as a long boy could possibly be. And he really just does what he wants all day. This is the most recent video of him where you can see the absolute beautiful monstrosity